Yeah. I'm recording because it's our birthday. We're out here in Puerto Rico at the Yunque Rainforest. Thousands of square feet of nature. So apparently this was a volcano that erupted from out of the sea, and along came life, growing into this beautiful rainforest. So we're gonna see lots of plants that we wouldn't normally see on the earth because they're under the ocean. We're gonna be muddy. Well, I'm gonna follow direction. Yeah, I'm putting mine in the washer. Oh, we're in the rainforest, guys. Say hey, Tay.
Hi, rainforest. So beautiful out here. It's different. I feel so in touch with nature right now. I mean, look at how beautiful. I probably couldn't even begin to count how many different species of plants and wildlife are living in abundance in this rainforest. It is extreme. So far, we've hiked up a hill. It's only been like 2 minutes and we tired. I'm not tired because I'm mushy, but they was like, get your shoes dirty. Look at Sienna. She didn't even know this girl.
No, it's still recording. It just the screen turns off.
No complaints for me. I could do 4 hours.
Yeah. Got tea here, we got Tay here.
In the field.
Yes. One of the things on our bucket list is definitely explore
Rainforest hike.
the rainforest.
How many people can say that?
Yeah, the next puddle we gonna splash. We don't mean splash like people. We're just saying like enjoy the texture. We gonna
Be coming through because my real feet ain't got wet yet.
Oh really? My shit's soaked. Which is cool as long as I got support.
I thought they would be immediately with these, but I'm impressed.
On our right as we head up a little bit. This is the Rio Fajardo, and it's one of 8 major rivers that flows from the top of El Yunque mountain down through the rainforest. This river is about 16 miles long. We're gonna hike the whole thing. Really? 16 miles? Just kidding.
Turn this thing around, baby.
Don't worry, no. We're gonna just explore a little section of it, but this river is super beautiful. It's very clean and clear, as you'll see when we get to it, and that's because from this point forward in the rainforest, there's no more human development. There's no more houses or buildings, so the water that runs through is really clear. The first place that we stop for pictures at a waterfall, we drink from that waterfall. You guys are welcome to try it if you want to. It tastes good. Some things about this river, it's named after Santiago de Fajardo, who was the Spanish colonizer who settled in this area. And the municipality of Fajardo is also named after him as well. That's on that side of the river. And this river divides 2 municipalities. So we're all standing in Ceiba right now. And when we cross the other side, we'll be in Fajardo. So we'll be in 2 municipalities today. And also one of the reasons that he may have settled here is because back in the day, this river had a lot of gold flowing through it. So keep your eyes open today. Please let us know if you see anything that you think might be gold.
You get to keep it? Like, are you keeping it?
I mean, you can keep it.
We are coming down into the first stream. We made it. Oh, we made it, Ash!
Wow.
Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh my.
This is beautiful. You can see us. Yeah. Oh, you good? Hey, it's a video now. I'm about to start.
Right foot right here.
One more. No, come back down. No, come back down. It's right there. And then all the way up.
What about the people with short legs?
Girls.
I got you.
Man, I don't like that one.
Right here. Right, left here. Right, left. Left here or right?
We got it.
The bottom, the other side.
I'm here. I'm up here. Oh my goodness. We really out here in the rainforest. Oh shoot. Where are we going? I would love to live, please. Where?
It's like against the wall.
Oh. Okay, I'll come over here. Want to get in the middle? No, it's okay. Oh no. The middle. Through the middle?
Did you want to refill your water bottle?
I guess I forgot.
Did you want to?
No, it's okay. I really don't want it, but I don't want to just like leave it on the ground.
I'd rather you not leave it either.
Okay. Oh my god, we're going up, 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 up.
Oh, you can picture that.
I'm doing a video. Oh. I just bumped my knee. Oh. Woo! This is so fun. Oh, here goes another shot of that waterfall over there. There go the girls. There go the girls.
No.
Oh. Ah. That feels good.
There we go.
I'm sitting down. Little break, little break. So far, so good. Oh yeah, get us. Gracias. I didn't know when I bought these I would be wearing them in the rainforest. I bought them like 3 years. I bought them like 3 years ago. Never wore them. Cause I don't like wearing shorts to school. With these thick thighs. Sing that shit. Say live. Say something. Ciara, say something. Holy shit. Thank you. Did you hear Maria? Get her in. Woo! Oh gosh. There she goes. Hey y'all, wait. Stay right there until she swim up. The last girl. I know. You're fine. Say hi to the camera real quick. Happy birthday, Maria! How you feel?
I feel great, girl. Before the slide even started going, I started sliding. I was a little nervous.
Hey, how you feel?
Okay. How you feel?
It's just hard climbing up the rock.
Let me get my ass out the way so y'all can get it.
That was so good. How you feel?
I feel exhausted. I feel great though.
So refreshing.
Oh, that was so fun. We're talking about good water. How you feel? How you feel?
I feel refreshed.
Oh no, I loved it.
Going down, that was my whole shit. And then it just happened.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm like, why are you looking at me?
Somebody's visiting you. Hello, little buddy.
Not me.
Hello, baby.
We in the waterfall. I can't get down.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
All the girls here. Hey.
Y'all, we keep our feet over here like little, like that, like donkeys.
Sorry. It's taking me. That's a good tipping toe bike.
That's what got on for, huh?
Natural spring I wasn't going nowhere. If you don't keep your legs over it, like you put this under water. Oh, we gotta get out. I'm moving now. Yeah, we go backwards. We're backwards. Yeah, then that rock sneak up on you. They're gonna crash my car. That rock sneak up on you. You got your water bottle? Yeah, I'm gonna fill it up. This water tastes good. They said we can drink it. Yeah, it's spring water. It tastes like deer park. I swear. This is deer park.
It's like deer park.
This is deer park water. This is alkaline, baby. This is that natural alkaline.
You did it! You got it. You got the scarf barely. What did she say? Our scarf.
All right, Ash, you next.
Yeah, I'm going.
You scared?
Of course not. Scared money don't make no money.
Ah, no, that's right. I'm a rich with an attitude. Pipe it down, but I will feel like your mama.
Big boy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You got this, Ed. Wow. This is 31.
No, she's 30.
Oh, 30 for you.
Good to go.
Jump, jump. You got this.
God got you.
Leap of faith.
God got you. Woo! Okay.
Got it. Let me get your picture.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Yeah. Got it. Good to go. Good to go.
Right, though. You right.
Go. Win.
My turn. All right, where do I step?
Right here. Let me tie the
Oh.
first one. You're good.
Woo!
Okay. All the way to the end.
Holy shit. Good?
Watch out.
Oh, okay.
Hold the camera.
All the water in my nose. Ain't no holding that nose. We did it. We did it, we did it.